Oh my God, they're open. After we get to the meet and greet with Shark Suit Boy, I'm headed over here. I'm gonna finally make it for the funnel cake. Well, let's just pray it'll be open by the time we come back. Luckily, it'll only be a few minutes. The funnel cake factory's open. Oh, yay! We're gonna try that today. All right, those two meet and greets are done. Now we're heading to get a funnel cake at the funnel cake factory. Been missing that place forever. Always seems to be closed when I come here, but not now. Let's get to there. Hi. Fine. I think I'll get the fruity funnel cake.
Like strawberry or cherry?
Strawberry. Triumph! I finally got it. I finally outsmarted the funnel cake factory and caught them when they're open. That looks delicious. Tasty strawberries with nice drizzle on it. How about you? I want to get going. And I got a bottle of water. Alright, let's get to the tasting. Alright, cool. I tell you, you would be amazed how long I've been wanting to get something from here. Like I said, they've always been closed. So, I'm happy I finally got a chance to do it. And a cool roller coaster, which I've mentioned before, that one used to be located in the UK. They disassembled it and brought it over here. Alright. Okay. As you've seen it. This smells pretty good. I haven't had a funnel cake, well, forever, since I was probably, I think, a kid. Definitely not good for the waistline. Very good. Very sweet. I ain't seen them having anything special for Halloween. If they would have had a Halloween one, I would try that. Nice. Maybe a big strawberry, but this goes with this perfectly. Either the cherries would have been good too. It's not overly fried either, so this is definitely perfect. Last time I had a funnel cake when I was a kid, I actually got sick because it was way overly fried. This isn't horribly greasy, so that's a good plus. Alright, I finally got to review it. I will take some more pictures of the funnel cake factory, take some more of the menu for you guys, then head on to the next thing. Good. Uh-oh, now I'm sad. It's gone. Looks like it could lead to a happy moment if I get another one another time. And finally, when you get your drinks, you get it from that cart. I'm not sure if I pointed that out, but they have it embedded in ice. They have some soda, water, Powerade, just to let you know. They have one place there, it's right next to the sit, but you got other seating over here and over there, so you have more places to sit if you want. Oh, they finally caught it. Hey, I didn't notice, but you can actually add ice cream to that. I was thinking ice cream would make that even more phenomenal. I have to do that next time. That was nice and tasty.